This is Fox's Grove House, a beautifully designed home by DUA, located in Dublin, Ireland. Built in 2021, this 104 square meter residence was created to blend seamlessly with its suburban surroundings while offering a contemporary living experience. Designed for a family, the house maintains harmony with the adjacent buildings by respecting the existing front and rear building lines. A key architectural highlight is its timber frame structure, assembled in just 3 days, showcasing both efficiency and innovation. Externally, the home is wrapped in Siberian larch cladding, adding a warm, natural aesthetic. The integration of the existing boundary wall into the ground floor plan further enhances its connection to the site. Fox's Grove House is a perfect example of modern architecture that balances functionality, sustainability, and timeless design. The living room features a warm, minimalist design with natural plywood paneling seamlessly integrating walls and cabinetry. Large openings allow abundant daylight, casting dynamic shadows. A sunken seating area and vertical wooden partitions define spaces while maintaining openness, creating a harmonious blend of form, function, and materiality. This kitchen embodies minimalist Scandinavian design, featuring light plywood cabinetry, black tile backsplash, and open shelving for an airy feel. Integrated appliances blend seamlessly, while pendant lighting enhances warmth. The polished concrete floor complements the natural wood, creating a cohesive, modern aesthetic. The dining area features a plywood-clad interior, integrated cabinetry, and a sunken layout. Natural light highlights its minimalist aesthetic, complemented by rattan textures and modern black accents. The bedroom features a minimalist aesthetic with custom plywood cabinetry, a 4-poster bed, and expansive glazing, maximizing natural light and visual connection to the outdoors. For more views of the house and its floor plan, check out the following images.